up, my beautiful YouTube family? I am Stina Bambina. This is JoJo. Can you say hi? Say hi. And this is my kitchen. This is the little one you hear in the background, crying and screaming and coughing and doing all of the above, banging things, dragging the trash can, you know. Being a baby toddler. I gotta quit calling him a baby. So, today is Ash Wednesday. And if you are Catholic, you know you are not supposed to be eating meat. So today, I decided we are going to have shrimp. This has been a big staple in my home for, I don't know, maybe 5 years, maybe more. It's a honey garlic recipe. I have been marinating my shrimp for 2 days. You really don't have to do that. 20 minutes is sufficient, or overnight is best. Since it's already pre-marinated and I didn't show you guys how to marinate it, I will list the ingredients of what I use in the marinade on the description. But it's soy sauce, it's honey, it's garlic, salt and pepper, actually no salt, I'm sorry, but pepper, black pepper, and ginger, all mixed until the honey dissolves, and then it becomes like a sauce opposed to like clumps of honey in there. And then you just pour it in a bag and let it sit for a little bit. I also have some rice going that really doesn't have anything to do with the shrimp, but it completes the meal. I'm also going to make some broccoli that I have in my Ziploc microwavable steamer bags. If you haven't checked those out, please do. I find them absolutely life-changing. To go on top of the shrimp, once it's cooked, I already have some diagonally sliced green onions, and I'm also going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. This is a really fast recipe as it only takes a few minutes to cook the shrimp. My camera. Now, the shrimp only takes a few minutes to cook. Be cautious not to overcook your shrimp because it does become rubbery, and that's when shrimp has a gross texture, and like nobody wants a gross texture. Nobody wants rubbery shrimp. Trust me, even I've screwed up shrimp. Shrimp is very easy to ruin. Couple minutes each side, and you know, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the baby down in his play area and heat up my pan. I'm going to heat the pan first, and then I'm going to pour a little bit of oil, sesame oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw the shrimps in, okay? So let's get to cooking. Oh, please don't touch that, Bubba. Okay, so now I'm back, and my pan, ow, that's pretty hot. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil. It is actually pretty hot. I'm going to go ahead and, here, let's sear. Just start setting them down. I'm probably going to have to do 2 batches because I do have a lot of scrimps. If you notice I say scrimps, I don't really say shrimp. Scrimp. I've always done that. I don't know why. I don't know where it came from. Maybe it's a California thing because I also have friends who say it like that. I don't know. But you don't want to overcrowd your pan ever, whenever you're cooking. So I'm going to have to do my scrimps in batches. This is going to be my first batch. And that's hopefully going to be a second batch. Might have to do it batch and a half. Or 2 batches and a half. But it goes fairly quickly. If you're watching them, you can see when they change color about halfway up. That's when you want to flip it. So usually it takes about 2 minutes, and then we flip. You can already see that they're starting to change color. See the pinkness in there? Starting to change color. Smelling amazingly delicious. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Camera doesn't want to sit. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, well I guess we're going to be like that. Stop being late. Joe. He doesn't feel good still, so he's a bit clingy. Plus there's a bunch of brand new babies at his daycare, so he's been extra clingy ever since all these new kids started at his daycare. Not sure why. He still is Mr. Attention Seeker. He still gets all the attention, you know. He's needy. I have a needy child. Anyways, you see how they're all pink? Perfectly pink on one side. Now I'm waiting another like 2 minutes for them to get pink on the other side. Then I will take these out, put them in my holder, you know, an old country crock container for those people, and move on to the next step. The next batch. Let me rephrase that. Joe, stop. I love you. Okay, so they look about done. There are a couple that I see that I'm just going to go ahead and put them like this for a second. Just for like please stop. Just for like 25 seconds or so, you know, not even that long. See? Perfect. Actually, I'm gonna move this closer. No, Jojo, they're not ready for you to eat yet. Joseph, please stop touching everything for a second. I'm gonna have to put you down if you don't stop. All right, and because there is still oil in this pan, I'm just gonna swoosh it around. No need to keep putting oil in the pan. We're not trying to load up on a bunch of oil, you know. I'm going to have to figure out, squeeze these in a little bit more, still not overcrowding them. And just going to let those cook. I know they look a little funky and a little dark, like, are you sure those are good? Yeah, I'm sure they're good. They're fine. It's just because the marinade with the soy sauce decolors it and makes it change a little bit of color. So, it's fine. Okay, and now these ones are ready to flip. I'm just going to go ahead and flip them on over. Flip it, flip it. Flippity flop. Every time I say that, I think of dog ears. Flippy floppy. You know, those really cute dogs with all the floppy ears. I don't even know what they're called. You see how pink those are? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's what you want there. So easy, done so quickly. The thing that takes the longest is marinating them overnight or your rice cooking. Especially if you use the steamer bags, then your broccoli is only done in 3 minutes and you don't even have to use another pot and a strainer? Steamer? I don't know what those things are called. I don't use them because I use the microwave bags. So, let that finish cooking. I'll be back with you. Okay, y'all, so everything is ready to go. I'm just going to take the shrimp and put it right on top. You know, when you make the marinade, it's a really, really great idea. I forgot to do it. I didn't think about it until I was actually cooking. Save some of the marinade. When you make it, before you pour it into the shrimp, save some of it. So that when you're cooking, you could pour, or after you're done cooking, you could pour it back onto the shrimps. And it just is like an extra flavor booster. It's fantastic. You know, this is so, okay. And then I'm going to take some green onion. He doesn't really care for green onion, but I do. I love green onion. I love a lot of green onion. And sesame seeds. Doesn't really matter which kind of sesame seeds you use. Toasted is always fantastic. It just adds another flavor depth, I think I want to call it. Then I'm just going to throw some broccoli up on this plate and make it a whole meal. You got your protein, you got your vegetable, and you got your carb. Typically we would eat this with brown rice, but I don't have any right now. I only have white rice. So guess what? We're having white rice tonight because I forgot to pick some up at the store. And voila! The beautifulness of honey garlic shrimp. Now for the taste test. Do y'all see this kid back here? I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. It's crazy. Nobody told me little boys are like off the hook. I'd have prayed harder for a little girl. Love my boy. Love my boy. Don't get it wrong. Okay. So I got rice. I got green onions. Got my shrimp. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's great. Perfectly cooked shrimp. It's not rubbery. It's not tough. Perfect. Nice and soft, delicate. 2 minutes each side, barely. You know, just make sure you're watching it. And when you see the pink go halfway up, flip it. When you see the pink go halfway down, you're done. Or I guess back to halfway back up. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, Lent is for the next 6 weeks. No meat on Fridays. This could be one of your meals. It's fantastic. This Friday, I am having salmon, and I'm actually debating if I want to do a video. It's like the easiest salmon recipe on the face of the earth. I mean, I don't even make the sauce. I buy the sauce. But it's so worth showing people how to make because it's so delicious. I gotta go get this kid. He's crazy going through my stuff. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss anything going on in my kitchen or with this little one over here. This little munchkin. Let me see. I think he wants to cook. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys. Have a very blessed day. Go to church, get your ash, and I will catch you next time.